What's up, ordinary car guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back out working on the Jetta. If you haven't saw the last video, you need to see it. We got our first start since we tore this thing apart. I can't begin to express how excited we were to get this thing back running. It's just a great feeling. The first time I've ever done anything like this. So it was just really, a builder of confidence in me to be able to tear this thing apart, have it just the block, have the head apart, replace the valve spring in it, get it back together and actually run pretty well. So today we're going to be working on getting the radiator support back on it, getting the radiator filled back up, getting the wheels back on and taking it for a drive. So really excited to actually get this thing back on the road and driving to see how it performs under power, see how the engine really runs on the road. So stay along for the ride. So here we are, we have basically it all put back together for the most part. We got the radiator support back on, the crash bar up here connected, which holds the radiator support. Got the headlights back in, so we have all that plugged up. Got the intake back on, this cover on, and we're getting close. Got the mass airflow sensor, intake air sensor back in. Next thing that we are going to do is we're going to put the wheels back on so we can drive it. And then we also need to fill up the radiator. And then we're just going to secure the turn signals here because those go in the bumper. And then there's the other one on this side that we are just going to secure up in here. And then we'll be ready to go. Probably just tuck this, which goes in the hood, just tuck it in somewhere just to keep it safe. So that's it. We're almost ready, and it's good to finally have it back looking like a car again. It's a little bit of a struggle trying to find where all the fasteners go, but we're getting there. So now wheels, radiator, hook the battery back up. we got it pulled out. We got it running. Still running a little bit rough. Still trying to figure out what's going on with that. We do have the radiator filled up, but there we go. It starts down a little bit better. We're going to go get some fuel, see if that helps out. I think it might. And we're also going to plug in our OBD2 reader, see what codes are on it, clear the codes, and just see what happens. So, about to take it for a ride. Another thing, these wheels are absolutely horrible to get on. I would hate to be on the side of the road trying to change these things. It's really irritating. It was really hard, but that's where we stand. All right, guys, so sitting here in the car, had it running for a little bit, and have the OBD2 reader hooked up. Cleared all the codes, and it is coming back with a lot of misfires, so not exactly sure what's going on. We are running out to get some gas. Not going to take the car, just in the truck to get some fresh gas to put in it, to see if that may be an issue, as we said before. But it is still running rough. Not exactly sure what's going on, but it is saying basically a misfire in every cylinder, so I don't know if we have the timing messed up or exactly what it is, but we're going to keep working on it and keep you updated as to what we find and what we can figure out the issue being. But that's it for now. Alright, so we are out on the road giving a little test run just to see what it does. Still running rough and don't really know all that's going on with it, but we're just trying to hash it out right now. So we'll see what happens. We did put some fresh gas in it, so we're at 3/4 of a tank right now. So hopefully that'll help some, but we'll see. Well, guys, it's been a long day and we really haven't figured anything out. Still have issues with it running and driving it around. It just has no power. So we really don't know what's going on, and it's not shifting right, or it's revving to 3,500 RPM and won't shift. So we're not exactly sure what's going on right now. We're still popping up a code for misfires and engine speed sensor. So not exactly sure what that means, but that's going to do it for this one. We're going to, get and try to research what's going on. It's been a frustrating day trying to figure this out, not really knowing what's going on. It does run though, but not great. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hopefully we'll be able to do some research and figure out, or get some troubleshooting ideas to try to get this fixed. So stay tuned for the next part. Hopefully we'll have some answers for you. We'll see you.